The overall goal of this experimental procedure is to assess kinematic performance measures of daily living movements with motion capture systems in an immersive virtual environment.
This method can help answer key questions in the medical field, such as how to diagnose dementia and mild cognitive impairment early, through the ability to complete daily tasks.
The main advantage of this technique is that it can quantitatively document detailed kinematic data, such as trajectory, moving distance, and time to completion, while performing daily tasks in real time.
The implication of this technique extends towards early diagnosis of dementia and MCI because the ability to complete daily tasks, such as using public transportation, are closely intertwined with neuropsychological functions.
We first have the idea for this method when we realized the potential of virtual reality as an assessment environment, where the participants can be tested under the same conditions which mimic real-world experiences.
Generally, individuals new to this method will struggle because conducting experiments in virtual reality and analyzing kinematic data are hard to perform.
Begin by setting up the hardware including 4 computers, 4 stereoscopic 3-dimensional projectors, and 8 motion tracking cameras to track the position and orientation of the dominant hand and head during the 2 instrumental activities of daily living IADL tasks. Ensure that all computers are equipped with the required software. For middle VR, check the website to obtain the latest versions of the